The best dash cams offer peace of mind when you're behind the wheel. Mounted to your dashboard or windscreen, these in-car cameras record the road on a rolling basis. By collecting video evidence from your vehicle, they can prove what happened in an accident, help you contest speeding tickets, and even reduce your insurance premiums. So which is the best dash cam for your needs and budget? Number 5. THINKWARE U1000 Dual Dash Cam 4K. The THINKWARE U1000 is a dual dash cam that captures sharp, detailed footage in 4K UHD or 2K QHD. It features a Sony image sensor, 150-degree viewing angle, super night vision, anti-file corruption technology, and 1-year manufacturer quality assurance. The THINKWARE Cloud 2.0 allows for remote live view, geofencing, parking impact notifications, locating the vehicle, and driving impact notifications, among other features. Number 4. Nextbase 422 GOU Dash Cam. The Nextbase 422 GOU Dash Cam is a high-resolution HD recording car camera that is Wi-Fi, GPS, and Alexa enabled. It has parking mode, night vision, and loop recording. It also has automatic power and crash detection. The camera has a dual quad HD loop recording that offers 280 to 360 degrees of the road with a glass f1.6 lens. The camera also has an Alexa voice control built-in and quick-link Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for Dashcam AP. The camera also has a GPS SOS emergency response. Number 3. BlackVue DR900X 4K UHD Dash Cam. The BlackVue DR900X2CH is a dual-channel 4K UHD cloud dash cam with built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and parking mode voltage monitor. It comes with a 32GB microSD card and can be hardwired to your vehicle's fuse panel for parking mode. The optional CM100 LTE module provides 4G LTE connectivity, and the dashcam will automatically switch to parking mode when the vehicle ignition is turned off. With the free BlackVue Cloud service, you can connect to your dashcam from anywhere in the world and enjoy the remote live view, push notifications, and cloud backup of important videos. Number 2. Rove R3 Dash Cam. The Rove R3 is a 3-channel touchscreen dash camera for cars that features a single power button and custom-designed firmware. It is beautifully designed and user-friendly, yet super powerful, with a 3-inch IPS touchscreen and 3-channel recording front, cabin, and rear. It also has a remote firmware update, always-on dual-band 5.0 GHz and 2.4 GHz built-in Wi-Fi for super-fast transfer speed, and a built-in GPS for live speed, compass, and location stamps. Additionally, it has proprietary fail-safe voice guidance, supercapacitor, 24 hours parking monitor, G-sensor, and a proprietary distortion correction algorithm. Number 1. Garmin Dash Cam 67W. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W is a small, discrete camera that captures high-quality 1440p video with HDR optics. It has a wide-angle lens to capture more of the environment and features voice control, driver alerts, and the parking guard feature to monitor your car while you're away, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a comprehensive dash cam solution.